Hello, I have a question for you tonight. My name is Anna. For those of you that don't know me, I am a mindset manifesting coach and I help women or entrepreneurial women overcome their limiting self-limiting beliefs that are holding them back from manifesting what they truly desire. So my question for you today is, how are you sabotaging what you're trying to manifest? Now, the universe meets you halfway, or manifesting meets you halfway, the universe meets you halfway. There's things there are things that we desire to manifest in our lives, and we've read the manifesting books, and we're doing the visualization, the affirmations, and all of those great things that draw those things to us, but we're not getting the results. We're not manifesting the things that we're looking for, the things that we want to achieve, that our desires are not being fulfilled. So what's happening? Why are we not? We're doing all of the things, but it's not happening. So the reason that you're sabotaging, or the reason why things are not showing up that you're wanting to manifest, the desires that you're projecting into the universe, why are they not showing up? So the reason is that you're losing your focus. Now, the universe responds to the energy that you are resonating, or your vibration. It responds to the primary thought. Now, there's two sides of us, okay? There is the fear side of us and the highest good side of us. There's the subconscious side of us, and then there's the conscious side of us. There's the soul side of us, and then the human side of us. Now, and it is a constant push-pull between all of those. We want these things, but yet we're afraid of it. We believe that we deserve these things, yet we feel that we're not worthy of it. It's this constant inner conflict, this constant inner resistance that's happening. And then that's why we're not getting the things that we desire. Because on some level, we don't feel that we're worthy of it. On some level, we're afraid that we'll get that. On some level, we're wondering, well, how will it change my life? You know, maybe if I win that money, people won't like me. Or if I get that amazing career, that amazing job, I'm going to have to work too hard. So there's this internal dialogue that is kind of pushing away, that's resisting those things, those very things that we desire. So how do we then overcome that? What do we do about that? So first thing is that you have to realize that you are safe. Now, this is an affirmation that I teach in the workshops. It's actually a Louise Hay affirmation. I am safe, it's only change. That is kind of like the soothing elixir. It's like the soothing cough drop when your throat is sore. I am safe, it's only change. Say that to yourself when there's a desire or something that you want to create in your life. Say that to yourself and see how it makes you feel. Does it lower or lessen the resistance? So the other thing is to maintain the focus and the energy of those things that you desire. What is it that you want to attract into your life? For most people, it's more financial abundance. So if you want to attract more financial abundance, you need to step into the feeling of how it feels to already have that very thing. If you want to have an amazing career, how is that going to feel when you have that amazing career? The clearer you get on how it will feel, the more you draw it into your reality. But here's the thing as well, and this happens to me all the time. I have the desires, I do the work, the affirmations, the visualizations, and then life gets in the way. And then I get distracted, and then I start to doubt, and I start to question, and then everything sort of kind of gets unraveled. And this is what everybody's doing. This is what we're all doing. We're all setting out the intention, setting out the desire, and then we get distracted, and then we're going backwards from the energy of that thing that we desire, and backwards from the focus of that it then starts to untether. So you can kind of think about manifesting as lassoing something, right? We have this energetic rope, and then we set the intention and the desire, and we throw out that lasso, and then we've got that thing. We've got that thing, and we're excited about it. We can see it coming. We can feel our future. We're excited about it, and we know it's going to be amazing and wonderful. And then you get distracted. You hear something over there, for example. This is kind of like just a visualization, I guess. You see something over there, you get distracted, and then all of a sudden you're starting to let go of that desire. That desire, as the energetic rope has slipped out of your hands. And then you've got to start all over again. You've got to get the energetic lasso. You've got to create the desire, the intention. And then you've got to start all over again. But that's normal. I want you to also know that that is normal. And when that happens, when you get distracted, you just simply, it's kind of like just going off the road in your car. So, you see people driving in front of you, and all of a sudden they veer off the road. They're distracted. They're, I don't know, looking at their phone or talking to somebody in the car, and then they get distracted and they veer off the road. You just self-correct again. You just self-correct. You get back into that focus. You get back into that intention. You get back into that energy, and you just start again. But don't beat yourself up over it as well. I beat myself up over things like that as well. Why is that not happening? Or why hasn't this thing showed up? It's simply because the focus has not been consistent. It wavers. So when you want to manifest something, the reason why it's being sabotaged is because the focus is waning. Then simply start again. You just simply start again. Stop beating yourself up. So what do you need to do? You need to see yourself where you want to be. You've got to then feel yourself where you want to be. How does it look? How does it taste? How does it smell? What will you be feeling when you're in that space, when that thing that you desire manifests? So you step back into the energy of that. Then you've got to follow the signs and the synchronicities and the opportunities. Things will show up. The clearer you are, the more you resonate on the energy of that thing that you desire, then that's when the synchronicities will come up. That's when the signs will come up. That's when you'll overhear a conversation. That's where someone will offer you an opportunity. So watch for those signs, okay? And you just start again. When you find yourself getting off track, I do all the time. I get off track all the time. And then you get disheartened when you've gone off track. But you just get yourself back on track again. Get yourself back into the energy, the alignment, and the focus of the thing that you desire. And you've got to focus on how you're feeling. When you're feeling down, and when you're feeling out of sorts, and when you're feeling uninspired, then that's when that energetic rope becomes untethered. But we're human. It's part of life. It's going to happen. You just get back on again. You just self-correct again. But then also elevate your emotions. You elevate your emotions. You feel good. Look for things to appreciate. Look for things to make you feel good. Look for things to make you happy. Go and have a drink with a coffee with a friend that makes you laugh. You can even go and play your favorite song. Whatever you need to get back into alignment. Something that raises your energy, raises your vibration. Okay? So that's what happens because we're busy. We get sidetracked because we're human. And we're living our lives, our day-to-day lives, and we have so many distractions pulling us left, right, that then we lose focus and attention of the things that we desire. So just get back into alignment again, and you'll move closer to it. Okay, so if you would like to jump into my Journey to Manifesting official Facebook group for free trainings and much more goodies, or a lot of goodies, and I'll put the link down below and come and meet us and join us in the group. If you want to jump on a free 20 or 30, sometimes they go for an hour, manifesting mastery call where I can help you to discover what's holding you back from what you desire. And then just comment interested below and I'll be in touch with you. So I will see you all again tomorrow. So it's okay if you get off track from your desires. Remember, we're human. You just get back on track and you start again. Okay, all is well in your world. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.